Along with everyday home and campsite cutting duties, a quality tactical knife can play an integral part in self-defense, just after a firearm and before a capable tactical pen or tactical flashlight. Tactical knives have a long history of being carried by both firefighters and law enforcement, as well as active-duty military personnel. A tactical folding knife will help you to overcome many obstacles on your way. Today we will discuss some tactical folding knife. Request to watch the video at the end. Number 7. ZUZZEE Tactical Folding Knife. The blade is made of reliable D2 stainless steel, good cutting effect and corrosion resistance. Ergonomic wooden handle design, excellent hand feeling, fine and titanium coating on the blade. Safety liner lock is well designed, with zero worries of accidentally closing it. Pocket knife with potable and convenience belt clip design, easy to clip on your belt or backpack. The folding knife can be used for a knife for camping, hiking, hunting, backpacking, travel, survival, work, and any outdoor activity, as well as general use and daily cutting housework. Number 6. Smith & Wesson Tactical Folding Knife. Smith & Wesson focuses on creating knives that are ready for all situations. Whether you are a knife collector, survivalist or a first responder, you can trust that your S&W knife will be the tool you can rely on in any situation. 8.1-inch overall length, with a blade length of 3.5 inches, and a weight of 3.5 ounces. Blade is made of reliable 7CR17 MoV high-carbon stainless steel, with a black, rubber-coated ABS handle. Quick and easy access with the convenient pocket clip, ambidextrous thumb knobs and finger flipper, making it ideal for everyday carry. Number 5. Jellas Tactical Folding Knife. Excellent corrosion and abrasion resistance. Equipped with the thumb studs for right and left hand use. Reliable safe liner lock to prevent unexpected closure. Seatbelt cutter and window breaker can help you in emergency situation. Clip and leather sheath could fix the nofe on the belt from being lost. Jellas Cool Knives weighs 5.3 ounces, open length is 8 inch, folded length is 4.7 inch. Practical tactical knife for camping, hunting, hiking, fishing, etc. backpack, bushcrafting, quite suitable for outdoor and DIY activities. This pocket knife comes with a full set of accessories in an exquisite black box, including a whetstone and good quality leather sheath. People would love it. Number 4. Voltstorm Tactical Folding Knife. Blade was built with high-performance German stainless steel 8CR13 MoV, hardened to 58 to 59 HRC hardness. Knife handle inner frame was built with 1.5 mm thickness stainless steel, making the knife more stronger and sharper. Antique finish process makes blade out of the ordinary. One endured all kinds of tests and stay sharp. Pocket clip for easy and safe daily carry. Reversible clip makes this convenient both for left and right-handed users. Great as EDC knife, pocket knife, tactical knife. Multi-function folding gear works effectively with a variety of materials, food, textiles, sticks, etc. Excellent support tool for fishing, camping, hunting, etc. Number 3. SOG Tactical Folding Knife. Trust the SOG Escape Folding Knife to help keep you out of harm's way. SOG, based in Seattle, Washington, designed this knife to save lives, in addition to more common everyday uses. The SOG Escape is a quick open tactical knife that serves well as a rescue knife for SWAT team, paramedics, and firefighters. Measures 4.8 inches in closed length. Features a cord-cutting groove for cutting cords, lines and seat belts. Includes a glass breaker, wire stripper, an extra line cutter blade under the pocket knife handle. 3.4 inches long black stainless steel knife. Features a partially serrated clip point blade. 4.8 ounce lightweight utility knife. An EDC knife handle is made of hard anodized 6061 T6 aluminum. Number 2. Grand Way Tactical Folding Knife. EDC tactical knife for men and women. A pocket clip and a lanyard available. Lock type is a liner lock. Handle of the knife is made of durable plastic. The knife can be truly called a knife set. It contains a knife, a fire starter rod to strike against the blade and a whistle. 440S. The blade provides impressive cutting performance out of the box. The best fire starter knife combo in your camp. Boy Scout knife set with fire starter ferro rod. Camping EDC hiking backpack bushcrafting, hunting and fishing, military and army needs, outdoor and DIY activities, survival, self-defense, emergencies. Perfect gift idea on Christmas, birthday, Father's Day. Number 1. ALBATROSS Tactical Folding Knife. Folding knife. LED light, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, magnesium fire starter, bottle opener. Right size. Unfold length, 8.5 inch, blade length, 3.5 inch, fold length, 5 inch, weight only 5.5 Oz, very suitable for your daily use. High quality stainless steel and black finished coated, sharp and durable, wear resistant, high hardness. Aluminium anodization handle, strong and durable, and feel excellent. Pull it out of knife. Take off the lamp head. Remove the insulation by tapping gently on your hand. The button batteries is already inside the flashlight. Then install the lamp head back on. Hope you have enjoyed this video and found the best tactical folding knife that you need. Like and subscribe if you liked our video guide. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.